What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add drop down in Google Sheet. First of all, select a position where you want to add. I want to add here, then click to insert and drop down menu. Now it have drop down option. You can customize from here, like if you want to add another item, just click here and just copy and just click write a value like option 3. And if you want to reorganize the position, you can drag and drop. Allow multiple selection, and you can also change the color from here, like this to this to this, and also I want to add this color. When you're satisfied, just click done, and here you can see the changes. If you want to customize, just click on the edit button or pencil button. Now you can see the option to customize. Click to done, and that's it. By this method you can add drop down in Google Sheet. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.